My name is Dr. Vadim Sumbayev, and I'm Associate Professor of Biochemistry in Medway School of Pharmacy, Universities of Kent and Greenwich in United Kingdom. It is my greatest honor and pleasure to attend the third International Conference of Pharmaceutical Sciences, organized under the theme Industrial Pharmacy from Bench to Market. At this conference, I'm very excited to present our work. For the last 10 years, the research of my group was devoted to understanding the biochemical mechanisms involved in cancer immunoevasion. So we are trying to understand the cancer immunoevasion machinery as a crosstalk of biochemical networks which are designed to suppress anti-cancer immunity, thus allowing tumor progression. Also, we are trying to map these immune evasion pathways, which would allow us to select the best therapeutic targets in order to successfully develop personalized, targeted immunotherapeutic strategies to treat different types of malignant tumors, including so-called hard-to-treat cancers. I very much hope that you will find the possibility to attend this conference and to hear my talk. And I very much hope to convince you that cancer immune evasion machinery is a, let's say, complicated complex of networks, of biochemical networks, which is very smartly designed and which is very successfully operated by malignant tumors. But our understanding of molecular mechanisms underlying these networks would allow us to overcome such a complex disease as cancer. So I'm looking forward to presenting my work to you. Thank you very much, and all the very best to you in your research and personal life. Thank you for your attention.